All right, here's a word problem that it will end up involving inequalities. It says a car rents for $30 per day plus 19 cents per mile. You're on a daily budget of $87. What mileage will allow you to stay within your budget? So the unknown, the thing we're looking for, is the number of miles that we are allowed to drive to stay within our budget. So let's let that be X. So we'll label X as the mileage that we're allowed to drive. And so how do we set up an inequality that involves X using this information they gave us? Well, we have to keep in mind that what you end up paying per day when you rent this car is a $30 daily fee that's just right off the top, plus 19 cents per mile, and that has to add together to be less than $87. So our inequality comes right from that. So there's the 30 for the $30 daily fee, 19 cents per mile. Well, if it's 19 cents per mile and you're driving X miles, then it's going to be 0.19 times X. That would be how much you pay in mileage. It's less than or equal to 87. So now we just solve this inequality. We can't combine these because this doesn't have this 30 doesn't have X, but we just subtract 30 from both sides, and we get 0.19x is less than or equal to, well, 87 minus 30 is 57, and then we just divide both sides by 0.19. So if we divide 57 divided by 0.19, turns out to be 300. So if you drive 300 miles, you're going to be right at your $87 limit. But anything less than or equal to $300, and you'll be okay with the boss.